Ebusa mo akwa ba FM Ghana SMTVGH. Message like, comment, subscribe, then notification also on so that anytime you post a video, bit say we are usambekebi. Ebusa for my conversations be I also say about the possibility of the return of veteran actor Agya Koo to the New Patriotic Party. Now, you see, in every rumor, no, there is some iota of truth. And not put on a video because anchor, I would expect say such a thing and such a thought process would never ever occur or have occurred to anyone well-meaning or dream pa Emma the New Patriotic Party. But quite unfortunately, no, my name say whether knowingly or unknowingly, as a certain individuals are bent on destroying the New Patriotic Party. Now, as long as Yemubi, we remain alive and committed to the cause of the New Patriotic Party, enya dia yebe pene say binsi yen pene so. Me, Amiti Hanu, I will not sit down to watch anybody whatsoever jeopardize the chance of Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia being elected as the next president of this republic. Agya Koo obabeye den. Mo see Agya Koo should be allowed back into the New Patriotic Party. No? Obabeye den. Obabe play role ben. Obabe fa responsibility ben. Assignment ben na muwama Agya Koo amusi on back to NPP. Are we not tired of the daily betrayals? Are we not tired? Are we not tired? NPP nkwa muna obetimi sori ene ofili se on person oye member of NPP biom na akwako chimsa o chimwia no samba se o sankofa yenti. And because we keep doing that, at every point in time, somebody is motivated to also take the same route. And I am my party, no, abedane an object of blackmail for people. And it will be sorry, or to me blackmail a whole party say mumpea me free party nemo. And then everyone is on their knees, say, oh, enfrim, yen will support, yen will sika, yen will de. And boa party, no, it hurts our party. This is the oldest political party ever Ghana. The oldest political tradition in Africa. I stand to be corrected, but it is. Until we cannot allow people to be treating the oldest political tradition with disdain. Debbie, and more mu pese Agya Koo ombra back to NPP no. Mu de mu pie na mu ko joining no the base mu. Yeah. Anybody that has given a thought to the fact say, oh, ye kwa kopa Agya Koo chow. But you the free party no pre NPP mu ne ko joining the base. Ko joining Agya Koo the base. Aden.
To crash and first, you know. Because you see, I am him for you now to galamsey. Nti ono no mahama yarga na eko tu amofo. Just someone kasa omo ni credibility wo polit. Omo ni papa pe bia ebeka se ni minister so yi wo mo bia ni ho ye papa. Muntaka ne ono ne kibabo ne pampers gura yi. Wo mo nyina so je double salary. Nti sa nipa we credibility be na omo wo. Nti ye ma omo position faso obi ani so atofo sin ankasa okuta finance minister deputy kwan od faso hu na sisi ayakoye ne minister and asam na sai kura nti Ghana de sisi aye hia mpaibo ye omo determine say sisi omo hu de omo de ba atare omo pama hye doctor biem nti sisi a region omo de be faso na no so de emfa because omo awie ye no mbeka sense omo kan na nya no kure nti so omo ama ya te no ato ho de asisi asem bi omo de beba bia yen sori wo omo so na yen kan omo no ntum yen frustrate wo me ma omo nya policy bi omo begina so na omo de aye campaign 2028 mesra mo omo wo fie mo omo ka bia bem na nka bom no so de NPP po ye hia ba Judas e we ye mu de yen yi wo mo mfirim because yen to me nje wo mo nya yen krokro da John embetie information emfa nkoma ya tamfo omo de yesra mo bia nkasa yen no wo mo nya ba kon brother bi ba kasa ye onu me hu so ofiri de base nti no na sam kra na de yen fa nto baabi
Madam, hello, madam.
Hello.
Still, hello, madam. Muti, we de mi rim kakra. Ye nipa, baby edu no, ya de sika na ya de nipa na chichiri kro. Baby edu, ye nkasi ye yi obi efrim.
But Kennedy, the young cofer Kennedy mem, young cofer Agya Koo mem, and the other brother.
Enye Kennedy, enye Kennedy ni ye ka.
The young cofer on mo, ma to my dinner, and you won't gina on, and one, and you are local. But Obia Wama Yahu, then you put them yonya yan by yan, the Mayanda Yahudum, a brother, Miss Slow baby. Miss Slow, my dinner, you want them on a day, yan you want, and one will be nice or how we buy young and salt. But in your power, finishing, or what time for one would by your day, my brother. Excuse me. What by your to do by fire to do by for way, you know, more than one from my door, or Juba, won't have a frank and all come kay in your mother Codorian, and snow room. And tell one them a slow one my yehu. There, I don't know be a white down, show down, but my one show down, one son so why. Hey, I want them a slow. Men kofa womba obi te sa abo apapon o ye hian alanche matin ye hian no krofo nyina obi te da we hopeless adoye yanyan lokwahin e wonde obi a wa ma ye hu da ya atamfo ye wonde ye hu da wa bakra ye ngwa nye enkra nkwa my brother mesraw ai me do obu na yin de ma ya yi da matamfo ifu ye mu na ya kanya ya kan ya kan ye hu bom na ya ton ye leader na bibia nyi wo nso nyame ye andi sifo no waya ndama o waya ndama papa ba sisi ade nyina ya nyi won boko no mungamu
they are capable of doing everything. They are capable of
ndama waya bi including your John Dramani Mahama nankasa hwe sisi amare ye no why te dem all for do Ghana no se hwe
evil plan
Vincent may you order please
enso no no dikan why no ho snake under glass o yenwura Mahama obegina do manyi ma hwe ne de mean ne the way up oye ne ndama pretender hey ndama Mahama woye na ebinya including atofos na no krofo chada bia maka che won atofos ye mubusuanyi ndama oye ye bini sisi ogudure ye wesa than the owaye ko nti yama ye nyi nkoda mu krofo iwondo na same jemfi blaben na wabo nyimdi ben na owo wada no to them position. But I don't him ya chronobo and the expert. You can't take it away from him. Until them nyipa binum wo ho a what did the border and what they yama yanyu ko won ho papa na ya attack won. Ya attack won papa na mama yarga wanye na koto chieftaincy dey if you na go that I'm saying now but kodo more than before.
I swear.
Sure. Sisi onso ontum nukrom fu wa twa na su no ontum nkọ. Onye won bo kwa papa nti yammo mpai ye hia mpai bo won awanyim fom asasa so kra ye nso ye nwura hobi na ye fa nye oman no nkwa nsi wo na me ye ma nkrofo we num wongu ye leader doctor na nyim aseda owo anyim fom kọ owo anyim soro kọ owo anyim mpai bobo ye nyina ye nya ye wa kwantum na ye de ye ho ahyem me ye ma won kwan o opportunity nyame de maye but Judas for our ye mu na wo ma ye nsesi fom 2024 no Judas for our ye mu en won wo ma ye nsesi fom anka na nkunyim di franka na okita NPP nta afi de yansa ama won kwan biem ma wo metrentrem nya won ho farasi fu nya atwomfo na wo maje yanyunyam no nko ma doctor ne bra wa brain no nya kwa doctor ne policy so ye yina no na nda won wodi bu wo ma aben policies na wo my brother enti yanyina yanya koro dama tamfo ne de yama yampam won yafa prai ekrufu won prai ne bi ne yafa mpra wo eti koro ma won kokora yemfra wanyi ne yansisu wa so asa wo ben yan ai
Yo.
enti me da wase bebre
Yo, Sister Elizabeth,
you my brother na adwuma pa e da to ho do ale yanyina your support at the right time yan contribution baba ai
Mati. What contribution from bra elephant heritage. It's what show
Mati. Oh, they ma from back way na ya
Sister Lee. Yo, ya bakasa wechi. Ya kuko isho pa Sister Lee kamisho.
Hwana wosu ban papa, moral character. Mum nyanya survey. Hwana wonim die, hwana edwamanfo, hwana ekromfo. Mo pa mum nyanya survey, mu tebuta sansem we, ni enhwe outcome beba. Mum nyanya survey ni enhwe. Dr. Baumia, so when this man come be worship on the same crofo worship ayi. Na sa osu be mpa iti we na hwe be ma ho ato nina so nu agya no ono ti we so anointing wo yiri bia ewurade nyankopon ne ye daada nkrofo na soloma so bo mu nsem mo papa wonsam na wo ka no de wunya nti na aye saa no de wunya na nye ga na yi die ena nsoloma so dudu na adwena deda obi a na sore ne sofo ketu akogina nkwaranza MP wanduma me na nwini ba otim obi wini the whole Ghana president ne so ogi say ni pa di a wa ogigirije na mampanyi mahamade wo ye nipa wo ye daadaafo a onka nokore a wo bagi mampanyi mahamade no ebeye se wo bagi adi se epo betuma beda santimam me be kenka niema bi a mampanyi mahama promise ya wontimi deliver ya sese no eyi nkremoson anyway say na NDC for na kwa akohim Women Development Bank 419 MI 1 million coders to be trained 419 MI Council Teachers licensure examination 419 MI was will be to assemblyman for minim to a 3 dia 419 baby who grants out to forcing and a cocan you was will be to cocoa a 65 million and they be seen there I 419 MI was it double track obe twamukura I 419 MI was say economy no 24-hour na ne wo mo ahye de AC dwa edwa na wo mu sisi tse na na akufu adu see hospital ni ayi na nya 24-hour economy wo mo de no say 24-hour economy one job 3 people 3 shift na nurse fo amugu fie a teacher fo eni mo wie school say no mo mampanyi ma be mo atese wa ye bia onye wo so obeti price of cement so na obesan introduce automatic posting aba emai enti sa ena die ehu kran se men's gold for o ka so obo betua musika na mam no matia emai enti sa nieme ya mampanyi nyeye na adufuru pe krono amamu a ekoso yi a mampanyi ma ba yi NDC for ne Ghana asase de omunya kro ombeda ne ani yi musika kokko nyina enu nti na omo ye sa no enti e besere se Ghana ni Kristofo amowo nyansa enya Kristofo bi a o madwena de dade se osu bempai Kristofo apapa ni bi no Dr. Baumia oye ni papa oba his politics mu ne ho ma asem da onye dwamanfo onye kromfo yente adeboni bia won ho enti mon to abano mano na Dr. Baumia 2028 anopotutu to na migina polling station na me koto my busy enti no me de besia na ebinum abam bedase